So in the last video, we got to know about the Entra ID, right? Now, Entra ID, in the Entra ID, there is authentication methods, uh, which is single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, the passwordless. Okay, all these methods are very important to secure your device, to secure your application, basically. Okay. Single sign-on is something which you have signed in once and to access multiple applications, right? Now, the benefit is it's a very simple one. You have to just click a single time and everything is going to authenticate at the background. Okay, so that's why single sign-on most of the companies prefers, and also Azure prefers. Now, multi-factor authentication is something where you require the password, code, and biometric. Okay, so you have to log in with your Azure credential. Then it is going to ask you some numbers, and it will directly reflect on your Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator, whatever the authenticator basically you are using, the application basically. Okay. So from where you can give your biometric as well. Similarly, passwordless authentication nowadays, quantum computing is going to come within 2 to 3 years. So most of the organization, most of the cloud bases, you can say like Azure, AWS or GCP, everyone is going as a passwordless. Okay. So this thing you can also use as your authentication. So this is a typical, just a diagram where you can understand how these things are working, what is inconvenient, what is convenient for you. Okay,